How can a couple build a deep connection while still maintaining their own individual identities and hobbies? Balancing connection and identity, the path to lasting intimacy. Step-by-step guide to building deep connection while maintaining self. To answer your question, we must look at how to apply specific phases of the relationship framework to ensure you are building emotional investment without losing your own way. Step 1. Utilize the yellow light phase for emotional depth. To build a connection that feels meaningful, you must move beyond surface-level attraction and focus on deepening emotional connection. Practice. Active listening. When your partner shares something, reflect their thoughts back to them. This makes them feel seen and understood, which is the foundation of any deep bond. Give personal compliments. Do not just compliment how they look. Compliment their intelligence, humor, or passion. This builds a connection based on who they are, rather than just what they do for you. Share vulnerable stories. Sharing your own personal stories creates emotional openness. It allows you to be together emotionally while still being an individual with your own history and thoughts. Step 2. Use the strategic pullback to protect your identity. To maintain your own hobbies and identity, you must learn how to focus on your own activities or personal growth. Don't be 100% available. A common way people lose their identity is by making the partner their entire world. By having your own hobbies, you naturally create a pullback effect where you are busy with your own interests. Create healthy distance. Use your personal hobbies as a tool for the strategic pullback. When you focus on your own things, like a sport, a hobby, or work, you aren't just being able to do those things, you are also preventing the relationship from becoming too predictable. The cycle of interest. By maintaining your own life, you create a cycle of attention, emotion, distance, and curiosity. This way, your partner stays curious about your separate life, which actually increases attraction. The biggest mistake in this process. The biggest mistake is total merging or overinvestment. Many people believe that a deep connection means being able to do everything together and being available at any moment. However, if you stop your own hobbies to satisfy the relationship, or if you make your partner your only source of happiness, you become predictable. This leads to a loss of curiosity and attraction, eventually causing the emotional rhythm to stall because there is no distance to spark interest. Personal wisdom and rules for success. My best personal advice: be a whole person before being half of a couple. A relationship should be an addition to your life, not the entire definition of it. If you have a rich inner life and exciting hobbies, you bring way more value and mystery back to the connection. A simple rule to remember: connect deeply, but live fully. Use the yellow light for the heart, and use your own life or the pullback for the soul. One key truth: independence fuels attraction, dependency kills it. People are naturally drawn to those who have a sense of purpose outside of the relationship. The golden rule: a healthy relationship is two whole people choosing to walk together, not two halves trying to find completion in each other. The simple formula for balance, deep emotional investment, plus consistent personal passion or hobbies equals unstoppable long-term attraction.